So this time, papunta na kami ng Victory Liner Bus Terminal. Yung nabook namin na biyahe papuntang Baguio is 3 AM, pero di ko na na-record yung kaganapan inside the Victory Liner Bus Terminal that time kasi nga nagmamadali na kami na mahabol yung 3 AM na biyahe. So ito na nga yung next ko na na-record na is nasa loob na kami ng bus papunta ng Baguio. So yung nabook pala namin na ticket sa Victory Liner website is from 3 AM. Then nakarating kami ng Baguio around 9 AM. So it's an intercity na biyahe. Marami kaming nadaanan ng mga bus terminals bago kami nakarating ng Baguio at 9 AM. And after 6 hours, and we're really here in Baguio City, and yung drop-off point ng bus is dun mismo sa harap ng terminal ng Victory Liner dito sa Baguio City. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Paalam!